Hi friends, welcome on Europedia, and this video is related to the opportunities in top public German universities. You know, German universities are the natural choice for Indian students who are aspiring to join master's program in their respective field of interest. Why German universities instead of other universities, globally reputed universities? When we talk about pursuing master's program in top global institutes world over, so we think of US, we think of UK, we think of some other countries like maybe Canada, Australia, New Zealand. The top priority of the students from India is either US or German, and nowadays Scandinavian countries also. What is the reason that German universities take an edge compared to US universities? Reason is fee structure only. We know that in MS you need to spend money. Unlike direct PhD after graduation or PhD, MS के लिए तुम्हें पैसे देने पड़ते हैं, but many students do not want to go for PhD programs or something. They want 1 year, 2 years program, master's program, and get into the job market. Now typically US में even if you get scholarships and all, you need to spend money, that is 30 to 50 lakh rupees. In Germany, education is free. Some universities, some public universities started charging from international students, the fees they started charging, but still 80% of the public universities are offering free education to Indian students. And that is the reason Indian students prefer German universities. Quality of education is good. You can get education in English language only. आपको कोई एग्ज़ाम नहीं देना पड़ता, GRE वगैरह नहीं देना पड़ता आपको. So if you graduate from those universities in those courses, you get job also. What Indian want is पैसा कम लगे, खर्चा ज़्यादा ना हो, and कोर्स अच्छा हो, और उसके बाद मेरे को opportunities मिले. So all these requirements are fulfilled. And also whenever Indian students go abroad, they also want to stay in those countries for some year at least, so that they can work there and अपना पैसा वो पूरा कर सकें. अब जर्मन में दो बार एडमिशन होता है, और जर्मन में पहले मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, द एक्सपेंडिचर विच यू आर टू इनकर, दैट विल नॉट बी मोर देन, इन एनी केस यू आर टू शो इन द बिगिनिंग इन योर अकाउंट, बट इन एनी केस इट वॉन्ट बी मोर देन 15 lakh, एंड देयर आर सो मैनी स्कॉलरशिप्स एंड ऑल अवेलेबल. सो मैंने बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स का इंटरेक्शन वीडियो बना के पब्लिश किया है, इन विच दे आर सेइंग दैट we will be earning, will not be spending. Yes, MS students, because they earn scholarships, there are so many kind of scholarship. उसके ऊपर भी dedicated video बना है, and the mentor of Europedia Global will explain you in detail what kind of scholarship you can avail and how you can minimize your expenditure. Now German university जो public universities हैं उनमें दो बार admission होता है, एक summers एक winter. Now the students who wanted to go in 2024 summers, they've already gone. And for the winter, the dates are almost now over. जून जुलाई तक आपको एप्लीकेशन अपना भरना होता था, dates are over. Now for summer 2025, that means somewhere if you want to start your course in month of March to August 2025, summers of 2025, if you want to start your course in Germany, the application deadlines will start from September to January, September 2024 to January 2025. Listen this carefully. Those of you who aspire to go to Germany for MS program in 2025, 2024 वाला हो चुका है अभी, 2025 में जिनको समर्स में ज्वाइन करना है, नॉट इन विंटर, समर्स में, विंटर में जिनको ज्वाइन करना है 2024 अक्टूबर, उनकी लास्ट डेट हो चुकी है. नॉट 2024 इज ओवर ऑलमोस्ट. 2025 में दो बार एडमिशन होगा, समर्स में और विंटर में. समर्स में यू स्टार्ट योर कोर्स इन जर्मनी इन फ्रॉम मार्च टू August, somewhere like that, and in the winter it is from October onward. But application starts 6 months before. Like if you are targeting 2025 in Germany, your applications in technical universities, IITs of Germany are called technical university, they are TU9, technical university 9s. तो उनका एडमिशन का जो डेडलाइंस है, आई विल शो यू couple of universities here and with the deadlines, that will be from September 2024 to January 2025. So if you are interested for Germany friends, this is the right time. Get in touch with the mentors of Europedia Global. They will tell you how to proceed and kind of documents which are required, एंड डू नॉट प्रज्यूम एनीथिंग, नेगेटिव प्रज्यूम मत करो कि खर्चा बहुत आएगा, ये मैं जा नहीं पाऊंगा, या आई एम ऑलरेडी डूइंग एमटेक। देयर सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम इंडिया हु आर डूइंग ऑलरेडी एमटेक फ्रॉम गुड प्लेसेस। मैंने एक वीडियो पब्लिश किया था, स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियर हु हैज़ ऑलरेडी डन एमटेक इन स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियरिंग फ्रॉम IIT गांधीनगर, नाउ ही इज डूइंग data science in abroad. He started doing his MS in data science. So that matters, I mean what you want, that is up to you. So similarly, if you want to leave your master's program in India and want to join master's program in Germany in 2025, you can start your process for that also. The decision is yours. So yeah, German offers good opportunity to Indian students, and you can think of joining these courses in that particular country. So let me take you to this some information now. Yes, Germany, you are already knowing, it is a very important country for Indian students. It's a large country, a stable economy, and heart of Europe. So geopolitically it is quite stable country, unlike UK and all, or maybe on the border of Russia some issues are coming, but yeah, Germany is quite safe from that perspective. Now TU9 are the technical universities of Germany, and they are like IITs of India. Somebody ask, okay, where we should join master's program, you will advise, okay, join IITs. Similarly, where we should join German universities, which German universities are quality universities, where we should join, you will say technical universities are quality universities in Germany. So when you start exploring, you will find some universities, the name of which you should know. So Indian students normally will prefer, and if you get admission in Berlin, Dresden, Technical University Munich, or you get into RWTH Essen, or you Leibniz, if you get Karlsruhe University, if you get. So these are some of the university. Technical university is 9, so 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. So 9 technical university in Germany, if you get admission, you can be very assured that आपको बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटीज वहाँ से करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज अच्छा मिलेगा. So these are the 9 technical universities in Germany, and you should be you should try for admission into these universities. Now my today's video is related to different technical universities and the dates. I was telling you, like, if you are targeting summers admission, summer semester 2025, summers means you will join there in the summers 2025. जैसे it can be March, April, May, June, July, वो डेट बाद में आएगा, लेकिन एप्लीकेशन आपका जो है वो स्टार्ट हो जाता है 1 दिसंबर से लेके 28 फरवरी तक एप्लीकेशन रहेगा. सो 1 दिसंबर टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी बर्लिन application will start. And another thing I tell you, which obviously my mentors of Europedia Global tell me, earlier the better. Those of you who are targeting for German technical university, 9 technical university, पहले अपना assessment करवा लो from the mentors of Europedia Global, whether your credentials are good for these universities or not. उसके लिए आप एक अपना assessment, अपना profile assessment करवा लो. If they find your profile good for these universities, then what you should do is you should start your application earlier the better. The probability that you will get scholarships and admissions, once you get admission, then you can try you can try for the scholarships also. So earlier the better. Now August month is going on, and if you are targeting for joining good university in Germany in 2025, you should start your efforts now. Those of you who are in final year of their graduation and उनको 2025 में German universities join करना है, they should start process now, because there are certain documents you have to get ready. Some exams they may ask you to write, like IELTS and other your credentials, transcripts, cover letter, and all these things you may be requiring. So this is the time for application deadlines will be there from 1st December to February 28th of Feb. I think they will be there. Now RWTH में जो dates हैं, if you can see here, winter admissions, summer admissions, sorry, summer semester and winter semester. तो समर सेमेस्टर आपका और विंटर सेमेस्टर की जो एडमिशन डेडलाइंस हैं वो ये हैं. लाइक इफ़ यू आर टारगेटिंग फॉर समर्स इन 2025, then 15th January is the deadline. So that means you will soon start for your those applications. That 15th January I was telling you, like it will be starting, and then 15th January से 15 Feb के बीच में. So I think these are given as the deadlines. 15 जनवरी तक वो ख़त्म हो जाएगा. Some open admission and restricted admission, there are the two kind of courses. I mean restricted means they are restricted to some students only in some countries, maybe European Union countries. So again RWTH की deadlines. If I go to Technical University Munich, then winter के लिए आपका जो deadline है वो 1 जनवरी को है. That means उस तक ये complete हो जाएगा. 1 जनवरी के बाद आप उसको नहीं अप्लाई कर सकते. So you have to apply before 1st of January. That means सितंबर से लेके दिसंबर के बीच में मान के चलिए आप उसमें होगा. Similarly Dresden में 15th January application will open for winter applications. For summer's admission application will open October 1st 2024. अभी अगस्त चल रहा है, सो अक्टूबर 1st एप्लीकेशन ओपन होगा, 15 जनवरी को एप्लीकेशन कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. सो आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो इन अगस्त. सो सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, these are the months in which you are to apply in one or the other public universities. जो मैं पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटी बोल रहा हूँ तो आपको अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन लेना है. फ्री एजुकेशन जिस यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर है वो फ्री एजुकेशन 80% ऑफ द पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटीज इन जर्मनी ऑफर यू फ्री एजुकेशन. उसका वीडियो, उसकी सारी डिटेल्स, उसकी लिस्ट भी मैंने बनाया हुआ है. आई थिंक यू कैन सी दैट ऑल्सो. बट मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द गुड पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटीज आर फ्री. एंड सेकेंड, स्कॉलरशिप भी अगर आपको लेना है, स्कॉलरशिप लेना है, TA, RA सब कुछ आपको, डार्ट स्कॉलरशिप वगैरह अगर आपको लेना है तो यू नीड टू मेटिकुलसली अप्लाई. इट टेक्स टाइम. So September, October, November onward you are to. So in the month of August you decide that you want to go to Germany. Be very sure that I want to go to Germany, and then get in touch with the mentors of Global, Europedia Global. Get them in touch of these mentors, and then they will start guiding you that these are the things you have to have it. So एक systematically आप start कर दो, और 1 अक्टूबर को अगर फॉर्म खुलता है तो उसको अप्लाई कर देंगे, एंड 15 जनवरी तक वो आप उसको वेट ना करें. You should apply it early. Similarly, now University of Stuttgart, so you can see this for MS in different courses. एक और जो टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी का स्पेशलिटी है, that for different courses, different departments, there can be different dates. Like computer engineering department, electrical engineering or chemical science departments, there can be different dates. But for summers, if you're targeting, then deadlines again are 15th of January. So if you make a general statement about technical universities in Germany or public university, you will say from October the forms, or maybe 15th of September. I have seen some public university 15th September से forms will open. The forms will open and these will close 15th of January. ऐसा नहीं 15 सितंबर से 15 जनवरी ओपन रहेंगे, बट कुछ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ 2-3 मंथ का विंडो देती हैं, एंड देन यू हैव टू फिल इन दोज पर्टिकुलर मंथ्स. So it will start. Similarly, Leibniz University Hanover, that is you have to apply for 15th of December, 15th of January. They have given 15th of Feb. Okay, so different courses, and they have given deadlines for intake of 2025. Leibniz University Hanover is a quite good university. अगर आप देखोगे इनके वेबसाइट के ऊपर काफ़ी डिटेल में इन्होंने दे रखा है. वी आर टारगेटिंग नाउ समर्स सेमेस्टर 2025. विंटर वी आर नॉट टारगेटिंग, नाउ दैट इज ओवर. वी आर टारगेटिंग नाउ समर्स 2025, एंड अपकमिंग एप्लीकेशन इज पॉसिबल फ्रॉम 15th October to this. The application for all master's programs, early application deadline for non-EU countries, it is given. या नो अर्ली एप्लीकेशन डेडलाइन में ये डेट है 1 दिसंबर से 15 जनवरी तक. राइट, सो इफ यू कैन सी 15 अक्टूबर से लेके 30 नवंबर तक, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू, दैट इफ यू आर टारगेटिंग 2025 फॉर जर्मनी, दीज आर द मंथ्स यू आर टू बेसिकली थिंक ऑफ गोइंग नाउ. Right, so if you see on this university, the details they have given of different courses, like civil engineering courses में if you are looking for summer semester, then 30th of November आपको उसको भरना है, और 15 जनवरी onward I think you will start it. So 15th of November उन्होंने प्रीवियस ईयर का दे रखा है, जब स्टार्ट होगा 15 जनवरी तक. सो दैट सिंपली मीन्स योर एप्लीकेशन विल स्टार्ट फॉर समर सेमेस्टर 2025. यू विल स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग नवंबर 30 से लेके जनवरी 15 तक, 30 नवंबर 2024 to 15th January 2025. That is for this particular course. So almost every course is going to offer you the same. Similarly, some more courses. Similarly, KIT, Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. Again, for winter, if you are targeting, then 15th July, 20th September, you can see these are the deadlines. Non-European Union is something which you have to see. So winter के लिए 15 जुलाई है, 15 जनवरी is for summers. So majority you can see 15 January is the basically deadlines. I don't know whether you pronounce it Danke or what, how you pronounce it, but this is thank you in Germany as per my knowledge. So friends, if you are targeting 2025 in Germany, this is the time you start pitching up, you start applying, you start extracting the information, and right information, right approach, and the effort at the right time is something which provides you the opportunities. You need to be street smart, you need to follow the right strategies. It is not that good things comes to you only by putting effort. Effort should be put in the right direction at the right time. That is very, very important. So right time is now coming, and right direction you will get from the mentors of Europedia Global. Effort you have to put. If you do that, very good opportunities will pop up for you. All the very best, friends. Thank you.